If you've ever opened up your paycheck and you thought, who the heck is FICA and why is he taking half my money? You are my kind of people. I'm Laurie, and for years, my 9 to 5 was basically a full-time game of financial whack-a-mole. One bill would pop up, you smack one down, and three more would appear. Today, I'm going to tell you how I finally broke that cycle, got time back with my family, and started building income from my phone without turning into a robot or a scam artist. Let's be real. By Friday, my bank account looked like it needed CPR. Rent, gas, groceries, and it was gone. My retirement plan, win the lottery or live forever. And the worst part, working hard was never my problem. I was working so hard, I barely saw my kids awake. They'd ask, Mom, are you off tomorrow? And I'd say, no, guys, I'm off in about 17 years, if Social Security still exists then. That's the moment I realized the system was never meant to let us breathe. That's when I started Googling how to make money online at 2 in the morning. I was the most desperate parent ever, and I found everything from selling feet pics to flipping houses that I didn't own. None of that screamed responsible single mom of 5. But then I found something called a digital blueprint, a way that I could sell educational products that you actually own 100% profit, no inventory. Basically, instead of stocking candles in your garage, you sell knowledge that actually helps people fix the same money problems that you have. Here is the non-techie version. You buy access to training that teaches you online business skills. You get 4 digital products. You can resell any of them for 100% profit. You plug your links into an automated funnel that follows up for you. The translation for that, your phone becomes an employee that never calls in sick. You learn the system once and you let it run around your life, not instead of it. I work mine in 2-hour blocks between carpool and dinner, and that's it. No boss, no inventory, no meetings that could have been emails. My first week, I thought, there is no way this is real. But I kept going because honestly, what was the alternative? Selling plasma? Soon I was covering bills with digital income. My kids started asking, Mom, why aren't you cranky on Sundays anymore? Because I wasn't spending Sundays dreading the Mondays, and I didn't have to fake laugh at the mandatory fun, the potlucks at work. Now I plan my day around life instead of around clock-ins. I take coffee on my porch instead of in traffic. I still work, but it's mine. And the crazy part, the same blueprint that worked for me works for everyone, for anyone who's tired of depending on one paycheck. Retirees, moms, dads, people who just want breathing room. You don't need followers, you just need Wi-Fi and a reason. I get it. When you hear online income, your scam alarm goes off. Mine did too. But the difference is, this teaches you real skills. It teaches you marketing, automation, email setup, the same stuff companies pay entire teams for. You learn it once and you can use it forever. It's not hype, it's homework that pays you back. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, I'm too old, or I don't have the time, or I've tried everything, I said all that too. But nothing changes until something does. If you want to see exactly how this blueprint works, the link's below. No fluff. Step that I followed to finally get ahead without giving up my sanity. Because at some point you realize you weren't born to just pay bills and die. You were born to live a life that actually feels like yours.